Well folks, welcome back to another Hoppy Hippie, and it's a review this time. As you can see, I'm rather enjoying it. Plum Stout this time, and it's made from a Wilko Velvet Stout kit, and with the addition of plum slushy syrup. 400 millilitres of slushy syrup, and just normal sugar as well, a kilogram of sugar, and it fermented down to 5%, so that's strong enough. Don't need to go anywhere than that for just a wee session brew. Only bottled a couple of weeks ago there, so it's not exactly, there is carbonation there, but it's not. It's probably just right for a stout actually. Definitely smell the plum in there. Definitely smell the plum. At point of bottling it was very strong, sickly even. And it smelled like when you're feeding a young baby milk and the milk's spilling on its bib. It smelled just like that. I didn't have very high hopes for it. But it's, over the past few weeks it's been bottled, it's smells much better. Not had this stout before as well, but you can definitely taste homebrew stout there. There is plum. I was expecting a bit more in the taste actually. But it's very nice. It is very nice. You see, I done that video the first take and I wasn't happy with it, so you're on the second half of the glass with me. Right. Distinct stout in there, and there's a subtle hint of plum. More so in the aftertaste is more plum actually. It's pretty nice. I would recommend you try it. I would recommend you try this. For under, what, £16 or something like that. 40 pints. Let's have another taste here. I would highly recommend it. It's very nice. This is going to the Classical website. You'll get your 10% discount after you join our Facebook group as well. Must be a member of the Hoppy Hippie Homebrew Facebook group, and we'll get the code to you there. But it's just a short one today, folks. Thanks very much for being with me. Off on holiday at the moment, a few days, so I thought let's try some beer. Over the moon, mate. Over the moon. Right guys, I'll probably have another video later on in the week. I'm not sure what, a few kits to make. I might make some other concoction up. I've got plenty of apple juice and cranberry juice for turbo stuff. Plenty of beer. I'm kegging a real ale tomorrow, and I'm also kegging the chocolate stout from Wilko. Cooper's real ale and a chocolate stout from Wilko. Never tried any of them before. Didn't do any filming of it, it's just a kit, just the standard kit stuff. There's no point showing you the same stuff all the time. But I might do a wee taste review. But that's very nice. I would recommend you try it. Thanks for watching. Click a wee like if you, it's good stuff this. So click a like guys, and if you want, if you've not been here before, have a wee check out the other videos. And we'll catch you again.